Martial afterward. Carried us for 9 months. Yeah, it's a tough job by being a mother, I'm sure. Not that I have any experience about that. Amazulu won 4-0. Zuma, Baklele, Dion, Nantuli, may his soul rest in peace. 4-0. This is the carelessness and the very start of the match. The defense of Amazulu. Positions in the Premier League, champions of Sundowns, relegated Spurs. Just a little bit too much for the referee on the day against TX Galaxy. And the 30th of March for Kaizer Chiefs, but as I said, impressive match against the Rockets. Hendrik Ekstein is back in South Africa. So, opportunity here for Mabada. There on Yamandra.
The wall doing its job.
Doesn't make any progress. This is where Chiefs to be the most dangerous. This is where the most dangerous against the Rockets TX Galaxy. But behind. He took close to score against his former team. Sipiso Klanti. Not quite going in the shot. He's a with Sitebe. There's a nicely here.
What's the border?
And there is space on his left hand side. Shabalala. Making the ball away.
Good. So close.
Very well to sort of lock it, but of course it's a difficult task for Klanti.
To position that he ordinarily would find himself in. So far, and the goal from Dupree as well. Saw that free kick from Klanti that tested Veli Motra. That was the other shot on target.
It's always easier to have the ball with you, but Amazulu really trying to run.
That's reiterate what I said earlier on. This is what the Chiefs have been this over to the last couple of matches. From Shabalala.
Can they go on that break very quickly? Always using that reference on outlets in Shabalala to clear. Interesting that Shibaviro went for Shabalala and really tried to cut in.
Getting possession away and get the ball away. Do crossing. And again. Wonder how they're going to hold his effectivity.
Offside.
Offside. Then something then yes. Yeah. Offside.
No. You can't put on 18. Give our head. Keep it close. Firebuka. Keep it close. I case ahead. I case ahead.
And he's looking across the field of play. Then Lithuania's onside from his vision. Which away from home was a really good result.
Oh, what a pass!
Again to Ray Kuesta. Nice ball from Kazatis, Modi there. Opportunist goal from Dupree and a headed goal from October 2022. Including matches. Draws between the two sides. Availability for the national side. To Shabalala, to Mali. She's playing the free kick quickly.
Yeah, honeymoon.
Free kick out to Amazuma.
Oh, he took it! He took it! Come on, Fundos! Fundos! It's 2K! It's 2K!
Return from Gonzalez.
Oh, papi!
That's